Hi everybody, welcome back to another food review on the vlogging channel. My name is Nick Anthony. Thank you for joining me tonight. Well folks, this is my second attempt at doing this. As you guys heard earlier today, I shot a food review which apparently had no sound. So yay, that was awesome. But I'm gonna reshoot this right now and tell you what I got. First of all, this is subscriber appreciation week. This is fan appreciation week. This will run until next Friday, August 12th. So you're gonna get a bunch of food reviews. You're gonna get a bunch of stuff. You're gonna get a bunch of videos, and we're just gonna be celebrating my birthday with you guys. It's gonna be awesome. So what do we have on tap for you tonight? Well, I just got to the resort. I'm dead tired. I've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning. I had to move out this morning, and there's some other things. Hold on. Uh, there we go. Okay, let me just open my ST. So I had to move out this morning. I had to move out like 9 o'clock this morning. I've been up since 4, and just got to the resort today. I was gonna go to Disney Springs, but hey, we have a terrible severe thunderstorm in the area, so I don't think I'll be doing that. I'm hoping that it will pass over within 20 minutes because I really want to go to Disney Springs tonight. Although I can probably do it tomorrow night. But I wasn't too particularly hungry today. I had lunch when I came to the resort, and I saw this. So I don't know if you can read this, but this is the All Star Movies Resort, the honey mustard chicken wrap, and I think this was $7. So this better be the best $7 I ever spent in my life. We're gonna open this up and see. There we go. Okay. So it's mangled. I'm sorry. But what are we gonna do? C'est la vie, right? So let me bring you in on a bit of a close up. Apparently this is made with fried chicken, honey mustard. There are tomatoes, onions, lettuce, and that's it. Uh, Again, nothing too crazy tonight because I gotta be up by 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow because I got a full day planned for you guys. So nothing too crazy, nothing too heavy tonight. So let me have this stays. You can see there's plenty of chicken in there, which I like, but we're just gonna go into this and see how this tastes, and hopefully the tortilla doesn't or the wrap doesn't fall apart. But let's go. Take another bite. Mmm, not bad. See, here's the chicken, and it's actually fried chicken. Mmm. One thing I don't taste as of yet is the honey mustard, but that could be jam packed in the end. And chicken's very good. It's very moist. It's not pink inside, which I'm happy about. Mm. Mm. I have nothing bad to say about this. You know, a piece of fried chicken. Ooh, look at that. Pretty good. For dessert food, that's pretty good. Mm. Good flavor, good seasoning on chicken. Wow, it's really good. We're gonna take one more bite. Mm. Okay, one more bite. Mm. Alrighty, folks. Um, yeah, nothing bad to say about this. It's just standard resort food. The chicken is not bad. It's very moist. It's seasoned very well, which I like. Um, I wish they muffed the cheese more. I wish I could taste more of the honey mustard, but what are you gonna do? So let's rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna give the All Star Movies Honey Mustard Chicken Wrap a rating of 6 out of 10, folks. I think it's really good. It's very strong, and I'm only giving it a 6 only because some of the flavor in the wrap you can't taste. So it loses points for that, but it's a very strong effort on the All Star part. And normally All Star food is garbage and it's horrendous, but I wanted to go semi healthy tonight because next 3 nights it's gonna be like Halloween havoc in my stomach. No, but I give it 6 out of 10. I would recommend this if you're in a pinch. It was, I think this was $7, so uh, it better be damn good if it's $7. No, it's awesome. But that would do it for my review, folks. I want to tell you that from here on out, you're gonna have uh, food reviews from Disney, from vlogs from Disney. You're gonna have videos from Disney. I'm gonna try to go to Disney Springs later on because it's open till midnight. Although I might hold off until tomorrow night just because I got a full day tomorrow. I gotta go to Magic, Epcot, and in the next couple of days, folks, you're gonna see a returning item on the channel, which I'm so excited to do because um remember last October when I did this item at the Magic Kingdom, it was awesome. So I'm excited to bring it to you. I'm excited to show it to you, and yeah, stay tuned for more. But until then, folks, please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos, and until next time, folks, from the All Star Movies Resort. This is Nick Major signing off. You guys are the best fans in the world. I love all you guys, and we're gonna have a fun week tonight. This week is for you guys. So whatever you want, leave a comment section. Leave a comment in the comment section below. There we go, and I'll be happy to oblige. So we're gonna have fun, and that subscriber appreciation week commence.